Burning news stories here. These are the top news headlines in Jamaica. Let's begin.
Manhunt still on in Grants Pen following shootout with police. The police have launched a search for a man who was reportedly involved in a gun battle with officers in Grants Pen, St. Andrew on Tuesday, October 19, 2021. Reports are that a Glock pistol was seized during the operation. The police said the man, who is wanted for several serious crimes, escaped after running into a yard in the mentioned area. Residents in Grants Pen have however refuted the claiming the police recklessly opened fire on the premises. Woman shot as licensed firearm holder foils robbery. Armed men drove up in a light blue Honda Fit as the woman was walking to work. A licensed firearm holder, who was in the area, shouted at the robbers to leave the woman alone. They immediately opened fire. The firearm holder returned fire. The robbers then ran off, leaving their cell phones inside the vehicle they were traveling in. However, the woman was shot in the leg and later taken to hospital. Government and lawmakers debate amendment to emergency powers law. A year after a landmark ruling by the Supreme Court that the months-long detention of 5 men without charge was unconstitutional, the government has revisited aspects of the Emergency Powers Act in hopes of satisfying the requirements of the court with respect to states of public emergency. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck on Wednesday opened the debate on the proposed amendments to the Act, which is expected to bring it in line with the Constitution. Clause 2 of the Act has been amended to include a definition for period of public disaster, and would reflect a similar definition in the section of the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms. UK police charge 25-year-old man with lawmaker's murder. British police charged a 25-year-old man Thursday with the murder of a conservative lawmaker, alleging that the killing was an act of terrorism by a supporter of the Islamic State group. Prosecutors said Ali Harbi Ali, a man from London with Somali heritage, had religious and ideological motivations when he attacked David Amos last week in the town of Leon-C. Prosecutors allege Ali targeted Amos because the lawmaker had voted for air strikes on Syria. Family sad as nation ignores third victim of crash in which 2 firefighters died. For the past 5 weeks, Simone Cuthbert has been left to ask one painful question: what about Damien? Damien Scott was the third victim in the tragic September 14 motor vehicle crash on Laughlands Highway in St. Anne. Scott is the father of Cuthbert's 17-year-old son. The other 2 victims of the crash were Alex Williams and Stephen Walters, firefighters from the Ocho Rios fire station. I'm super angry and very distraught. I was at a point where I wanted to lash out on social media because my child's father was not alien. They keep highlighting 2 persons, so what about the third person? Cuthbert asked. Reggae singer Savannah will return to the Westmoreland Parish Court on November 23. Savannah, whose given name is Anna Blake, was present at the parish court yesterday for a preliminary hearing related to a charge of causing death by dangerous driving. Her court case arises from an incident along the Scott Cove Main Road in Whitehouse in the parish on May 25. The police report that Savannah was driving a Honda City motor car towards Kingston when it collided with a Honda Fit going in the opposite direction. The Whitehouse police confirmed that the matter was reported to them on May 25. Finally, Colombian main suspect in assassination of former Haitian President, Jovenel Moïse, arrested in Jamaica. According to Nationwide News, the main suspect, who's wanted by international law enforcement in connection with the assassination of Haitian President, Jovenel Moïse, has been arrested in Jamaica. Colombian national and former military officer, Mario Antonio Palacios Palacios, is in the custody of Jamaican law enforcement authorities. Palacios is wanted by the International Criminal Police Organization, Interpol. It's not immediately clear exactly when he was arrested. Palacios is being held in Jamaica for illegal entry and is expected to be deported in the coming days or extradited from the island. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get your daily dose of trending news headline stories. Thanks for watching.